in my memory, this is it. Let's find out. I am right. Honey, it's our cruise cabin.
Wow. If there was any doubt.
Oh my god! That is too cool!
Keurig.
Yeah, I gotta get the real camera.
Let's get right to the view here. We have theme park view. Pick your theme park. Also parking lot.
This is great. I have to post this on Facebook. This is so cool. We'll get to the room tour in just a moment. Uno momento, please. Oh, we have a Keurig. Is that a lamp?
Ready for the Holland cruise. That's cool. What's the light? Sexy bathroom time.
It is. Oh! I didn't even know where to start. It's maybe the longest room tour in history. Check out this. How cool is that? Okay, so this big mirror. I thought it was very strangely placed, but now I love it.
Since they don't have a closet, they have an armoire.
Wardrobe.
Oh, and a pin.
What? Oh my god!
Now for the question America is asking.
You're not taking a nap.
Mm.
I haven't even made it into the bathroom yet. I'm in love with this lamp. Look at this lamp. I am so in love with that lamp. And this shelf. I love the shelf. Hang on, let me back up. It's just there on the corner of the desk. I love the shelf. I love that her name is up there.
Mickey's.
Oh my god, there's Mickey's on the wall. And the armoire. And the bench that has this, I was right, it has the same pattern as the chair. Oh my god, they thought of everything at this place. I love the little table. I love the chair. I haven't even gotten to the view and I haven't gotten to the bathroom. I can't seem to control myself here. I assume this is the sexy see-through fridge. That's my favorite part. Joffrey's and some Twinings tea. Okay. None of that recorded. Okay, let's try this again. All right, so now I know where everything's at least. I just recorded all this, but I didn't record. All right, Star Wars Land. Stop going out of focus. All right. Tower of Terror. Swan, characters in flight. Dolphin. And Epcot.
So I just realized this is a Gran Destino pin. It says across the top. So I just realized our collection's building up because we have pins that they gave us for sorry that we're building this and spoiling your experience of being at Coronado, which it so didn't. Now we get the pin commemorating that they built it. Crazy. Also this. Alright, after further ado, we appear to be that one.
I don't know. We were pretty far down the hall. From our door, you could see the end of the hallway.
We don't know what's going on.
We don't know which rooms are.
We know it was
On
that floor, which is to say under, it's the first darker line there. How about this?
No!